Welcome back to Learn Easy English. I am Lata. This video may not be helpful for speaking English, but it will surely help you to enhance your reading as well as writing skills. Yes, we are going to learn the sounds of the alphabet today. Let's begin the sounds. A as in apple. B as in bat. K as in cat. D as in dog. A as in egg. Elephant. F as in fish. G as in girl. H as in hen. E as in ink. J as in jug. K as in kite. L as in lion. M as in man. N as in nest. O as in octopus. O as in octopus. P as in parrot. Qu as in quilt. Quill. R as in rabbit. S as in snake. T as in tiger. As in umpire. Yes, umpire. Umbrella. For the next letter, you have to keep your teeth over the lower lip. V as in van. For the next sound, you have to round your lips. V as in watch. The next one, X as in box. Fox. I mean the last sound. Fox. Box. The next one, Y as in yacht. Yoke. The last one is as in zebra. Zoo. I hope you found this video very useful. I will catch you with some other interesting videos. Until then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.